I'm out here with a customer today in Campbelltown. He's with iiNet, and basically his internet service stopped. iiNet have asked him to get a private tech to come out and investigate, so we've come out today to take a look. Now the customer has a working from the MDF down here to his socket. His cable going to his unit is testing fine, it's all within specification, insulation resistance is good. But on pair 13 here, on the A side of the MDF, you can see I have some jumper wire connected to some alligator clips going down to his router, his modem here, and this has been plugged in probably for about 5 minutes now, and we've got nothing going on in sync. So this is definitely a network issue here. And iiNet, you will need to get a Telstra tech to come out and get this customer working. Thank you.